English challenge! Ready?
Ready!
Anong pangalan mo? A. What is your name? B. What are your name? Okay? Lula, pili.
Pili ka.
Pili ka, Lula. Tunit to.
Ay, ano?
Lumipas. Hello, may
Tawag sagot. What is your name? Out ni Lola. Out. Bakit ka nandito? Ready? A. Why are you here? B. What are you here?
Ay, cheater.
Sure?
Sure!
Sure?
Sure!
Tama!
Kopyada.
Next, nibayang mata mo na.
Oo, dapat lang.
Saan ka pupunta? Where did you go? Where are you going?
Ano?
Where did you go? Where are you going? Saan ka pupunta?
Ito yun.
Oh, straight line, straight line. Tama. Where are you going?
Nagwak ka, walong.
Black, galon, out. Out na kayo.
Dalawa kayo.
Saan ka nakatira? A. Where is your house? B. Where do you live? Go. Ba? Sure? Sure! Ayaw nyo daw.
Ayaw namin!
Tama!
Atang ni Kamanda.
Oo, kawanda. Atras, atras.
Yan.
Delicate to.
Siya ang nanay ko. Siya ang nanay ko. It is my mom. She is my mom. Siya muna, siya muna, siya muna. Go. Isa-isa. It is my mom. She is my mom.
Go.
Pili. Sure? Tama!
Ang mamati.
Kambay. Ready?
Ready!
Lumiko ka sa kanan. Lumiko ka sa kanan. A. You go to the right. B. You turn to the right. Go. Sige na.
Nagwak.
Amunan sana. Bye.
May may saan.
Backward, backward.
Out ka nante.
Yugo is my wife.
Okay. Kumain ka na ba? A. You eat already? B. Have you eaten? Go. Last chance. You eat already? Have you eaten? Last. 3, 2, 1. Have you eaten?
Kumain ka.
Kumain ka na ba? Have you eaten?
Saluda.
Tatlo na lang kayo.
Ay, ikaw muna. Kapay mo muna eh.
Gutom na ako. A. I'm hungry now. B. I feel hungry. Gutom na ako. Last chance. Sure na? Sure na? I feel hungry. Hala, dudumadan! Hala! Ready! Anong oras na? What is the time now? Hey, what is the time now? What time is it? Sure?
Sure.
Tama.
Dadaka.
Kalabanan, kalabanan.
Namon ah.
Ito, pagbagay kanya yung atoy.
Paras da.
Mataba siya.
Ay, aray. Out.
Hey, she's big. Me, she's fat. Mataba siya. She's big. She's fat. Sure? Sure? Tama. Malaki siya. She's big. Payat siya. Hey, she's thin. Huh? She's thin. B, she's skinny. Thin or skinny? Payat.
Skinny. Skeleton kaya.
Sure? Payat siya. Hoy. Payat siya. A, she's thin. B, she's skinny. Sure?
Sure.
Sure? Oh, alam niyo sagot? Anong sagot? Skinny!
That's good. Thank you.